Guys, today we talk about how can you create ad on your Asos app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Asos app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on app settings. So when you click here on app settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. Sorry, I'm go back. Sorry, when you click on this sign, like I say in verse, you click here on saved items here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on put arts here, and you click here on create put art. So then here can you add art name here, and here you here if you want to add your suggest names here, and you just click on create art, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.